Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise panel van. Like all our vehicles, this has undergone a 128-point inspection by AA and it's covered by their warranty for the first 3 months, plus for the first year you get roadside assistance with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both warranty and roadside assistance here at the dealership. We also protected the vehicle with a triple layer of Guard-X nano coat to make sure no tree sap, acidity, rain or anything else could affect the paint of this vehicle. This one is in the Enterprise trim, which comes with fog lights, power fold mirrors on the sides. Going towards the rear, you have the parking sensors spanning the whole bumper, barn-style doors, and sliding door over here, plus the fuel cap for diesel and AdBlue. Let's take a look at the boot now. The cargo hold, as you can see, it's fully wood lined, both on the panels, the floors, and the sides. You also have wheel arch housings in wood, 6 attachments points on the floor, a comfortable load-through hatch which extends the cargo hold by 48 centimeters in length into the cabin, and then size-wise it's 118 centimeters of width in between the wheel arches, 112 centimeters to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and from the foul metal bulkhead to the end of the cargo hold, you have 170 centimeters of depth, fully usable. Let's take a look at the driving cabin now. Once you get into the cabin, you can see clever storage solutions in the door card and on the dashboard, more in detail in a couple of seconds. Plus you have a 3-seat configuration with an independent, fully adjustable driver's seat and a 2-seat bench for the passenger. The middle seat can also be converted into a really useful picnic table, which both extends and pivots to the sides. Really useful, especially if you have a tablet or a laptop for your working purposes. Then you have a massive glove box in front of the passenger and 2 storage units right in front of him. One more just behind the infotainment unit and right in front of the driver. The dashboard is fitted with 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. You have the cruise control settings and automatic lights and indicators on the left. And then on the right you have the automatic wipers and infotainment controls. You have the beam height dial on the right of the driver, power fold mirror controls and power windows controls. And then you have the infotainment unit, which is an NAC unit by Citroen. This one is fitted with Android Auto and Apple Carplay through USB. There we go. Also mirror link functionality and more application included built in. The vehicle is obviously fitted with parking sensors, as I mentioned before, and a tire pressure monitor. You also have AC controls just underneath the infotainment unit and the heated mirror setting, traction control toggle, electronic handbrake, and this vehicle is in a 5-gear transmission configuration. And these are the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Enterprise panel van. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.